There are 10 questions in this workbook. We'll go through one by one. If the ratio of the height of a tower and the length of its shadow is √3:1, then the angle of elevation of the sun as a measure, let the sun be on this side, AC be the tower, then AB will be the shadow. AC to AB is √3:1. Therefore, AC by AB is √3. And tan of angle B is opposite side by adjacent side, it's √3. We know tan 60 is √3, therefore, the angle B is 60 degrees. Option 4 is the correct answer. Bravo. The electric pole subtends an angle of 30 degrees at a point on the same level as its foot. That is AD be the pole, its height is small h, A is a foot, B is at the same level as the foot, and the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. At a second point B meter above the first, that is at point C, the depression of the foot of the pole is 60 degrees. Angle C is 60 degrees. The height of the pole in meter is equal to, so we can use tan 30 is h by x and tan 60 is x by b. Therefore, h by x into x by b is 1 by √3 into 1 by √3, that is 1 by 3. Therefore, h is equal to b by 3. So, option 2 is the correct answer. Bravo. A tower is 60 meter high, its shadow is x meters shorter when the sun's altitude is 45 degrees than when it has been 30 degrees. Then x is equal to, the shadow is longer when the altitude is 30 degrees, say let it be y. The shadow is shorter when the altitude is 45 degrees. Say y minus x, that is x meters shorter. This is given in the problem. We have to find out x only. So tan 45 is equal to 1. That is 60 divided by y minus x is equal to 1. Therefore y minus x is equal to 60. And tan 30 is equal to 1 by √3. That is 60 divided by y is equal to 1 by √3. So solving the two equations, we get x is equal to 60 √3 minus 60, which is 43.92. So option 2 is the correct answer. Bravo. The angle of depression of the top and bottom of a 20 meter tall building from the top of a multi-story building are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. The height of the multi-story building and the distance between the two buildings in meters is, the depressions are 30 degree and 60 degrees. And the height of the tall building is 20 meter. Let the height of the multi-story building be y and the distance between the buildings be x. In terms of tan 30 and tan 60, we can get tan 30 is equal to 1 by √3, that is y minus 20 divided by x, and tan 60 is √3, that is equal to y by x. We can solve the two equations and we'll get the answers as y is equal to 30 and x is equal to 10 √3. So option 4 is the correct answer. Bravo. Two persons are standing x meters apart from each other and the height of the first person is double that of the other. If from the midpoint of the line joining their feet, an observer finds the angular elevations of the tops to be complementary, then the height of the shorter person is, let the shorter person be of height y, then the other person will be of height 2y. The distance between their feet is x, middle point to their feet is x by 2. What do you mean by angular elevations are complementary? The angles are summing up to 90 degrees. If one angle is theta, another angle is 90 minus theta. So we will use this condition first. So tan theta divided by tan 90 minus theta is tan theta by cot theta, which is tan squared theta, because cot theta is 1 by tan theta. And that is equal to, if you substitute, and you will get 2b divided by x by 2 into x by 2 divided by b, that is 2. Therefore tan theta is equal to √2. And we will have 1 by √2 as tan 90 minus theta. 1 by √2 is smaller, therefore theta is on the side where the taller person is there. √2 is bigger, no? 2 √2 is more than 1 by √2. Therefore, we will take tan theta is equal to √2 on the side where the taller person is there. So here tan theta is equal to 2y divided by x by 2, which is equal to √2, and therefore y is equal to x by 2 √2. Therefore, option 2 is the correct answer. Bravo. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point small h meters above a lake is beta. The angle of depression of a reflection in the lake is 45 degrees. The height of the location of the cloud from the lake is, so what we'll have to do is, we'll have to draw the figure and let the cloud be at a height capital H meter above the sea level and the reflection will be at a depth capital H meter below the sea level. Let the point of observation be small h meter above the sea level as given. Let beta be the elevation of cloud and alpha be the depression of the reflection. Let x be the distance, that is horizontal distance AB. Tan beta is equal to capital H minus small h divided by x, and tan alpha is equal to capital H plus small h divided by x. X is the horizontal distance. So now tan beta by tan alpha is equal to tan beta plus tan alpha divided by tan beta minus tan alpha. This is the rule. Similarly, on the right hand side, if we take this values, capital H minus small h divided by capital H plus small h, that is equal to capital H minus small h plus capital H plus small h divided by capital H minus small h minus of capital H plus small h. If you simplify, it will be minus capital H by small h. Now tan alpha is equal to 1 because tan alpha is tan 45. Therefore, substituting 1 plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan beta will be equal to capital H by small h, because minus sign I have taken to the left hand side. Therefore, capital H is equal to small h into 1 plus tan beta divided by 1 minus tan beta. Therefore, option 1 is the correct answer. Bravo. A ladder leaning against a vertical wall makes an angle of 60 degree with the ground. The foot of the ladder is 3.5 meter away from the wall. Find the length of the ladder. So cos 60 is sin 30, that is 1 by 2. And cos 60 is equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse, that is AB by AC. We want to know AC, that is the length of the ladder, that is equal to 3.5 into 2, that is 7 meter. Therefore, option 4 is the correct answer. Bravo. A jet fighter at a height of 3000 meters from the ground passes directly over another jet fighter at an instance when their angles of elevation from the same observation points are 60 degree and 45 degrees. Please note, one jet fighter is directly above the other jet fighter. Find the distance of the first jet fighter from the second at that instance. So we will have to find out that vertical distance between the two jet fighters. We will draw the figure. So here tan 45 is equal to BC by OC. Therefore, BC is equal to OC, and that is 3000 minus small h. Tan 60 is equal to AC by OC, and OC you can substitute as 3000 minus h, and that is equal to root 3 because tan 60 is root 3. Substituting for OC is equal to 3000 minus h. In the equation we get capital AC is equal to small h is equal to 3000 into root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3, which is 1268 meter. So option 2 is the answer. Bravo. A simple pendulum of length 40 centimeters subtends 60 degrees at the vertex in one full oscillation. What will be the shortest distance between the initial position and final position of the bob? So we will draw a figure again. So here AC is equal to BC, that is the length of the pendulum, will not change. That is equal to 40 meters. Now angle C is given. So the other two angles are equal, and that can be obtained by 180 minus 60 divided by 2. That is equal to 120 by 2, that is 60 degrees. Therefore, all the angles are equal. It's an equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal. Therefore, option 2 is the correct answer. The shortest distance between the initial position and final position of the bob is 40 centimeter. Bravo. A person in an helicopter flying at a height of 700 meter observes two objects lying opposite to each other on either side of the river. That is, on either bank of the river. The angles of depression of the objects are 30 degree and 45 degrees. Find the width of the river. We can draw a vertical line of height 700 and draw a horizontal line. Draw a horizontal line below also for finding the distance between the objects. Let A and C be the objects, and BD is the height 700. Now tan of 30 is the tan of depression on one side, which is 1 by root 3 is equal to 700 by AB. So AB is equal to 700 root 3. On the other side, tan 45 is 1, that is 700 by BC is equal to 1. Therefore, BC is equal to 700. The distance between the objects is AC, that is AB plus BC, that is 700 root 3 plus 700, which is 1912.4. That is, option 1 is the answer. Bravo. So 10 out of 10 we have got. All the problems are correct. We have taken only 9 minutes and 48 seconds, less than 10 minutes we have taken. With little hard work, you can also do it fast.